Anambra State House of Assembly has passed the Igbo Apprenticeship Bill into law, formally recognizing the regulating the traditional Igba boy system. The bill also establishes the Anambra State Igbo Apprenticeship Commission, which will maintain a register of apprentices and handle disputes when they arise. Emmanuel Chibata now reports.
The sponsor, Sir Ejike Okechukwu, said the bill seeks to promote entrepreneurship, create employment, and boost economic development in the state, while providing a framework to guide apprenticeship, ensuring fair treatment of apprentices, and setting minimum standards for training. According to the bill, to qualify, an apprentice must have basic education, and the training period is not expected to exceed 7 years. It also defines the rights and responsibilities of both mentors and apprentices to ensure balance, fairness, and accountability. The Speaker, Right Honorable Somtochukwu Udeze, commended Sir Ejike and the Joint House Committee on Trade, Commerce and Industry and the Committee on Judiciary and Justice for their efforts in passing the bill, adding that it will take effect from September 10, 2025. From the State House of Assembly, Emmanuel.